ये 3-4 लोग जो बक कर रहे हैं उनको, जिसको ये मैं अभी से नहीं सुन रही है, मैं अपने स्कूल डेज से सुन रही हूँ कि अब ये पिक्चर फ्लॉप हो गई है तो अभी इसका टाइम खत्म हो गया. When Govinda comes on stage, the world dances. It is kind of toxic, I wouldn't lie, and I've said that to Aarti as well. Always try to keep myself away from it. I met my cousins, everything was good, respectful, decent. Good. You know, you being spotted together, वो फिर लव नहीं है, वो आप लोग बिजनेस कर रहे हो, वो फिर आप एक पैकेज बना के सेल आउट कर रहे हो कि अरे ये तो स्टार किड है, गोविंदा की बेटी है, या आके करेगी स्क्रीन टेस्ट की नहीं करेगी. सो आई सेड अपने ही दिमाग में अगर आप स्टोरीज़ बना रहे हो, सो आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. इन शॉर्ट किसी ने मेरा ठेका नहीं लेके रखा हुआ है कि वो मुझे ब्रेक दे, यार उनकी क्या, दे हैव टू डू दिस फॉर मी. इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. आंसरिंग द सेम क्वेश्चन अगेन एंड अगेन टू एवरीवन और एवरी कास्टिंग पर्सन, राइट? सो दैट्स हाउ आई जस्ट मूव्ड ऑन.
तो कभी ये बिग बॉस या खतरों जैसे ऑफर्स आते हैं?
I live in a bubble created by me and my parents, and I'm very happy in that bubble. Working with him was like really like a blessing because, you know, starting your career working with your parents' ka favorite actor, and even mine. I would love to work with Ranveer Singh.
I think you two will be like
I would love to work
full
with
mad
him
people
because
on set.
he's someone I've always been very comfortable when I've met him socially also. But you know that Raja Babu thing, I have this cupboard of mine which has all the sunglasses, my hair clips, my perfumes, and in my head I know like कि भाई अब तो ये ऐसे करके मैं एक परफ्यूम उठाती हूँ. ऐसे I know it is very
It's okay.
I might get trolled all but
No.
I love myself. कि हाय रब्बा मेरे साथ ये क्या हो गया, मुझे काश कुछ दिया हो. No यार, I have too many things to be grateful for in my life. If something good comes up, yes, otherwise not interested.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble and आज किसी डिस्को में नहीं जा रहे क्योंकि आज हमें टीना आहूजा सीधे अपने घर लेकर आ रही हैं ये बताने के लिए कि exactly how was it in simple terms to grow in a filmy family. लोग बाद में गोविंदा सर पे मैं आऊँगी, बट योर मदर इज ऑल्सो इक्वली फिल्मी जितना मैंने उनके बारे में जाना है सुनीता जी. तो ये फिल्मी फैमिली में ग्रो करने का बचपन बताओ मुझे कैसा था?
So to be very honest, my mom was not that filmy initially when I was growing up. My mom has always been a housewife, and things were very normal because I had my grandmother and the whole entire family. So it wasn't that I was brought up in a different way, but yes, I was brought up in a very well luxury way, but not like a typical filmy way. Never.
Never?
No.
When was it when the little Tina understood that I think that I come from a family where my father is a superstar? What was your first brush with Govinda sirs? Because when you're growing up, Papa kya karte hain, Mama kya karte hain, school mein those conversations happen. When did
Yeah.
it first hit you?
I think it was one of the days when dad came for lunch, and so you know, हमारे school में those days the parents were allowed to get lunch for their children. Yeah.
Oh.
So dad came from shooting because he was shooting somewhere in Juhu only. So he came in and he was in full makeup and his get-up and everything. And everyone in the foyer was looking at him, and that's when I realized, okay, I think he's a little different than the other fathers around. Yeah.
तो बचपन में वो when you grow up वैसा होता है कि your friends treat you a little differently because you are a filmy kid. Does it happen?
Not really. Like they were all as normal as, you know, they had to be with me. ऐसा कुछ I never got something like a special treatment or something because even I was very chilled out and grounded and all that. Yeah.
So it never affected you also that you were deep down, of course, as you say that you were chill about it, but you were growing under this umbrella of stardom, of such a larger than life picture of your father.
To be very honest, I was very grateful about it. I was not arrogant about it. Like, you know, his successes came like a, you know, like one more good thing to be grateful for. So, you know, it was more of that. It was never like टशन में या कुछ, you know, arrogance में कि अब ये एक hit मार दी है, ऐसे कुछ नहीं था. It was more of like, चलो very good, God now what next God, what next?
तो कभी पापा कार्ड यूज़ नहीं करा किसी सिचुएशन में से निकलने के लिए? लाइक कभी जैसे होता है ना स्कूल में भी बंक आउट और कॉलेज में भी बंक आउट एंड यू गेट स्टक एंड तुम जानते नहीं हो पापा कौन है, कभी वो कार्ड यूज़ नहीं किया?
Never. Because I was honestly a very friendly kid. So I any which ways got my things sorted the way it had to get. So ऐसे कुछ नहीं था, never.
Tina, when was the time that it hit you that I also somewhere want to be an actress? Like I crave for the camera. What was your first brush with camera? When was the first time you was introduced to camera?
That's interesting. So I never craved or something
Oh.
of that sort. But yeah, like you know how it is that when you are growing up, people spot you in these parties and these award functions, and then you start getting these offers and all of that. And for me, it was very normal to get them, and I was like, चलो ठीक है कर लेते हैं types. वैसे और कुछ नहीं था.
फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट या फर्स्ट कोई काम याद है जहाँ पे पहली बार कैमरा फेस किया?
Mm, yes, I had done modeling, and
How old were you?
Yeah, I was what? Actually, my first modeling was when I was 18 or something. It was actually just like a normal ramp walk sort of a thingy. But my first official thing assignment was for this designer, Jaya Mishra in Calcutta.
सबसे पहले आके मॉम या डैड किसको ये ब्रेक किया कि शायद मुझे ये पसंद है करना, आई वुड लाइक टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस?
Nice. Actually, it never just, you know, like because every day in our house, movies are discussed, films are discussed, events are discussed. My mom was handling my dad's work and all of that. So it just happened that, okay, fine, I've got this proposal, I'm just doing about it. And that's how it happened to me.
So
It was never like a news given or something of that sort. No.
जब डैड सीइंग यू वर्किंग मॉडलिंग से स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू वेंट अहेड, कभी उन्होंने ऐसे बिठाकर बात करी कि अच्छा टीना इंडस्ट्री में ऐसे 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 होता है, कभी ऐसे था? क्योंकि
I
हर
think,
एक parents
yeah,
is
yeah,
some
that
children,
happened
yeah.
to me. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है जब मैंने उनके साथ काम करना शुरू किया था, after my first film, that's when I learned a lot of things from him. चाहे वो बोले या ना बोले, but उनको काम करते हुए देखते देखते मैंने बहुत कुछ सीख लिया. So
You have an
yeah.
institute at home.
That's exactly what everyone used to tell me. That's why I wanted to work with him.
Any film of his which stayed with you? Because I think even as a journalist, when we are growing up, कुछ films आप पे impression छोड़ती हैं जो आपके करियर में कहीं ना कहीं they play a role. डैड का कोई ऐसा काम था या कोई और एक्टर का भी कोई ऐसे काम थी, कोई फिल्म थी जो रह गई साथ में?
I think a lot of films of his, actually, I've been telling this a lot. Like, I'm a huge Govindan and Akshay Kumar fan. I love these two guys are my favorite actors. So a lot of films. So it's very difficult for me to choose from one, to be very honest.
वैसे I can agree.
Yeah, it's too difficult. Because you know, like there's every day there has to be one of his songs while I'm doing my cardio. One of there are certain actors like I really like. So one song has to be there.
आपने मुझे शूट से पहले एक बहुत ही फनी सा एनेक्डोट दिया था कि कैसे धर्मेंद्र were the one who taught you about the magic of lights while growing up, and you have grown up I think around or possibly all the stars which is normal for you, but what are some fond memories, some fine anecdotes which today are part of your life? Could you share something with us?
I think you know I have worked with Dharamji.
Yes, I know.
And I remember very well because he's my favorite actor, my father's favorite actor, my mom's favorite actor. So you know, working with him was like really like a blessing because you know, starting your career working with your parents' ka favorite actor and even mine. So I remember very well, we were on the sets of my film and he was the one who was very particular about lightings. So I used to always wonder that why is he like talking about lightings and all that. So he taught me that, you know, how the lightings can make your face or ruin your face types, you know. So yeah, that is something that I learned from him.
I think probably best advice from the best person in the business.
He's the best, yeah.
When we move to the films, often it's very easily regarded that you are a superstar's child. You will eventually be an actor and you will get all the roles in the world, and you know, the way will be paved for you. In your case, it didn't happen that way. Do you reflect back and see that the judgment was way too harsh for you when you came? What exactly didn't sit right when you reflect back on your journey? Because it's easier said than done to say product of nepotism, but there is a reverse side to it as well.
To be very honest, I moved on very quickly because after a point it started getting very irritating for me. जब लोग बोलते थे कि यार आपके तो घर में ही इंस्टीट्यूट है, आप कहाँ बाहर वो कर रहे हो? So I was like, you know, this is so annoying. After a point, I was like, you know, how many times should I answer the same question again and again? So I said, might as well I start working with my dad and start doing things that I like and I enjoy doing it. And when if things have to happen, it has to happen. I don't need to run the house. By the grace of God. Like I didn't have to run the house or anything of that sort. And I actually started enjoying working with my father. So, you know, I didn't even realize that where I left a lot of things behind and I was like, chuck it, man. I don't want to do this. Like, I would like to do things and projects that I want to do and I want to be a part of and I love doing. So, you know, even the music videos that came out, even the short films that came out, is because I wanted to be a part of it. Not that I'm arrogant about it or anything of that sort. Like, you know, I was open to look test. But then a lot of people had a lot of inhibitions and a lot of blockages in their own head कि अरे ये तो स्टार किड है, गोविंदा की बेटी है, या आके करेगी स्क्रीन टेस्ट कि नहीं करेगी. सो आई सेड अपने ही दिमाग में अगर आप स्टोरीज बना रहे हो, सो आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. आई वाज ओपन टू लुक टेस्ट, आई वाज ओपन टू स्क्रीन टेस्ट, बट इट्स फाइन. आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग थिंग्स दैट आई स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग बिकॉज यू कांट बी answering the same question again and again to everyone or every casting person, right? So that's how I just moved on. And I started loving what I started doing.
It's today with you say with so much of smile, and of course how I met her, I think that will stay with me with a lot of warmth and smile, that you moved on. But that tender age when you are just making foray into the films,
Yeah.
and they are not, it's not panning the way we all dream things to pan out. हम कोई भी career शुरू करते हैं, we always have a dream path कि अच्छा ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. When things don't fall in place in that manner, does it break down the confidence somewhere? Because as you said very rightly, even the casting directors were not willing to see you in that light. Does that shatter some inner confidence somewhere?
Not at all. Do you know who I was working with? I mean, working with my dad. He's come from where, and his
Oh.
so the kind of backing and confidence that it gave me, I didn't even realize when I moved on and how. मतलब जो चीज़ें मुझे उन एक्चुअली यू नो लाइक टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बहुत लोग को ये नहीं पता दैट माई डैड हैज़ हार्डली कम टू माई स्कूल. So all the, you know, work, like, you know, school days I have been in, my dad was never around. It was always my mom getting our lunch, going for the, you know, those.
I think he was to speak of his career. He was
Yeah,
literally
like
doing
he was
triple
hardly
shifts,
there.
Yeah.
So this was one way of me even knowing my dad very well, because he was hardly there in school days, and he was always in Hyderabad or Switzerland, or he was in Chennai, now called Chennai. So for me it was like a very fun thing for me, and I started really liking it because working with him, people started giving me a lot of importance, and you know, like I was getting that extra attention working with him, and so I actually started enjoying all of that. So I it didn't bother to me. So after a point, like I was like, it's just chuck it, let me do things that I enjoy doing rather than, you know, being in so much of pressure for no reason. Why am I taking this pressure for? What? It was all about that, like.
Wow, because normally at the time when you made your debut, and of course we remember the faces and the names, and since you have grown up with them, some of them must be your friends you would have grown up with who made the foray into the films, to let go of that, okay, if the lead face or the lead actress tag is not happening, I might as well move on with my life and make most of it. I find it very courageous. I mean, normally people are unable to come to terms with the fact that if A is not working, then definitely there is a B or a C to the life.
But I was getting better luxuries and treatments by doing that B, so I would rather choose that B, right?
I love it.
Like, why would I be a main lead actress and travel by economy when I'm working with dad and getting a first class ticket? Like, well, who wouldn't want that B? I would, or that C, whatever that option was.
Normally people are so in love with in front of being camera that they will let go of all the B's and C's and they will still struggle with the A only. That's why.
I was getting all the luxuries in life, so I was very happy. I said, हाँ chalega.
I think the biggest luxury, as you said, was to get time with your father.
Yes, absolutely.
That was beautiful. When was the Tina that you also figured it out that fine, if it's not working and I am moving to work with dad, what exactly then you started taking care of, and what was your new innings? What was Tina doing? I would like to know.
Oh, you don't? Acha, okay.
As
so
in, like,
basically,
no,
I
for the
started-
wider
so
audience.
everything around him. So I had a company, and I have a company, and we were doing a lot of shows with him. We were doing lots of events with him, and just being busy around him, like head to toe.
Tina was speaking.
Meanwhile, I did my music video.
Yeah, I
as
was coming
well.
back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ऐसे नहीं है कि मतलब मैं कुछ गुम हो गई थी या something like that.
यार गुम की बात से आपने मुझे अच्छा याद कराया. एक this family everyone knows is always in media. Dad is, I think, pap favorites में से एक literally. Why this girl was not a media savvy? Why this girl was media shy? Why was it difficult to spot you?
I honestly like to keep myself away. I wouldn't lie. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो या जब आप कोई काम कर रहे हो और तब आप इंटरव्यूज़ दो, तब आप थोड़े स्पॉटेड हो, तो मतलब मज़ा भी आता है. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. For no reason getting all the time spotted somewhere, I think it pulls out your privacy also, which I don't like. I like थोड़ा सा होना चाहिए. There has, like even my dad, he's not really spotted all the time.
Cameras find him. Let's put it this way.
So I like it that way. Yeah.
Like it that way. टीना, आपने डैड की इतनी बड़ी लेगेसी है, मुझे नहीं लगता मुझे लिए एक इंटरव्यू कभी काफ़ी होगा, कभी भी उनको कवर करने के लिए, इनकम पास करने के लिए. आपने शायद वो दौर भी देखा है when dad had to go through a transition phase where
Yeah.
things were actually not the brightest. How, as a child, that time and today, as the individual who's working with him, what was the difference? How was it navigating that period? Because with the biggest of success come also the lows, and how was it?
You know what? It's a very interesting thing that I've seen highs and lows since my childhood. It's not coming कि ये मुझे पहली बार मुझे ये
Of
हुआ है.
course.
There have been times in the school days also where things were not, you know, but I personally believe कि जिस industry से हम हैं, one Friday can make you or break you. So it, you know, like I am actually literally, you can say, like born and brought up in the industry, so I know how things go
works.
here. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब आपका टाइम अगर लो हो या थोड़ा टर्बुलेंट हो, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है यार. नेक्स्ट डे एक दूसरा नया दिन है. यू नेवर नो, अनदर फ्राइडे कैन चेंज एवरीथिंग फॉर यू. सो आई ऑलवेज हैड दैट थिंग इन माई माइंड कि यू नो you should not take all these things too seriously or to your heart.
Because it, as you said, you were optimistic, but then being from the fraternity, we have seen how easily people also write off someone's decades of hard work, and just it's easy to call them चढ़ते सूरज को सलाम, and you know तुम्हारा time ढल गया है. Fathers often don't talk about their feelings easily, while they're the closest to their daughters, as everyone says. But I think in our society, they're not conditioned to speak much easily about how they feel. Do you how was Sir communicative to you, or do you think that the entire paraphernalia which was going around, it was a little too harsh for him?
To be very honest, he's too strong of a guy. Like he's too strong, and I think he's seen this highs and lows a lot, and he's felt it more than me probably.
Exactly.
सो मुझे ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि उनको ये सब चीज़ें फ़र्क पड़ती है, और ना ही मुझे फ़र्क पड़ती है, बिकॉज ही इज़ बीन अ ग्रेट फादर टू मी. ये ऐसा कुछ कभी उन्होंने किया नहीं है कि अगर कोई फिल्म नहीं चली हो या कुछ वो नहीं हो तो हमारे कंफर्ट्स में कोई यू नो 19-20 आ जाए या कुछ हो. ऐसा तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड I have too many things to be grateful for in my life, and I just feel that right now he's in a phase where if he likes something, he'll do it. If he doesn't like, he doesn't need to prove a point to nobody. And I also believe in that. Like, you know, you don't need to prove up. Just don't be there for the heck of being. कुछ अच्छा लगे, कुछ धमासान पिक्चर आए, कुछ अच्छा गाना आए तो मज़ा भी आए. Otherwise, why?
इतने सारे एक्टर्स एंड डायरेक्टर्स के साथ जब आपके फादर ने काम किया, और आज भी मैं आई थिंक कितने लोगों से इंटरव्यूज़ करती हूँ उस एरा से, गोविंदा टॉप फेवरेट में है सबके. मतलब लेजेंड टॉप फेवरेट में. इसलिए आई ऑलवेज फील when somebody who's so favorite of yours, then why so less of him? Why can't I have the magic of him again on the screen?
You should ask him that. Even I want to see him in screen.
मतलब I there are certain things that I don't think anyone can do better. Like nobody can take the
Even
disco.
I agree. I also agree. I totally, मैं तो ये मतलब literally I totally agree to this. Not in a arrogant way or anything like that, but yeah, certain magic that he creates on screen, I don't think any, बहुत लोग ने try किया है, but
नहीं. डैड की कोई ऐसी फिल्म है पर्टिकुलरली, अगर आपको, बिकॉज यू हैंडल सो मच ऑफ हिज वर्क एंड स्टफ, इफ यू वुड गेट अ चांस टू पुट इट टुगेदर अगेन, वुड यू एवर डू दैट?
no, I would never ever touch any classics. Never. I think it's just not right to touch a classic, like you know. वैसे
या माधुरी मैम वाज टेलिंग मी रिसेंटली दैट नए कंटेंट पे फोकस करते हैं ना, व्हाई टू गो
हाँ,
बैक?
why? I just don't understand. लोग क्यों इतना पीछे में अटके हुए हैं?
दिस वाज टू गुड.
हाँ,
इट वाज टू गुड.
it was too good, yeah, but still, like, you know, make your own style, make your own things. That's what I feel, you know, like you need to reinvent yourself every now and then and just do something new. भले just ले लो वहाँ से कुछ एक tagline ले लो, but I don't understand why people want to do these 2s and 3s and 4s.
There was also a time, Tina, जब आप बिल्कुल now I know that you were focusing on the other side of the business, but when you were taking like fading away from the acting side of it and you were letting it go, the kind of news I remember we used to read, be it regarding Salman, be it regarding David sir, कि मौका नहीं दिया मेरे मतलब आपको किसी ने या किसी ने आपको आगे बढ़ के फिल्म ऑफर नहीं करी. आप कैसे देखती थी ये सब, क्योंकि as you said you have grown around this. How are you navigating this, and how was this entire thing that everyone was being dragged into a narrative?
Very interesting, but I honestly felt that, but क्यों करे वो, मतलब in the sense why should be like, in short किसी ने मेरा ठेका नहीं लेके रखा हुआ है कि वो मुझे ब्रेक दे यार, उनकी क्या they have to do this for me. It's not about that. If they feel that there is something that would be right for me, they would have, right? And it's you cannot all the time, what I feel is that you cannot be dependent on others all the time. And to be very honest, मैं ये सब सोचती ही नहीं हूँ. मैंने कभी ये सोचा नहीं कि इन्हें मुझे लॉन्च करना चाहिए था. नो, जो मुझे बेस्ट लगता है at that time, I would rather do that, and that's what I've learned from my dad. Never be dependent on nobody. You cannot be a cranky child at all.
Yeah, I'm loving this. I think now I get it. Get this entire positivity in the family is something which one has to hold back, because it's such a brutal place to be, and I have seen people and their morals shake down. And here I have somebody who's saying it's okay. There is this always a bright side to
Yeah,
look
but
at.
I mean, in the sense, if I was living a life of a superstar any which ways, so why should I be crying and cribbing about of what? Like, क्यों मैं रहूँ? ठीक है.
इस ठीके से पीछे एक छोटी सी चीज़ पूछूंगी मैं. इस ठीके के पीछे कभी ऐसा फील हुआ कोई पोटेंशियल, और अगर थोड़ा बेटर टैप करता तो शायद और चीज़ें होती डिफरेंटली?
मैं नहीं ऐसा सोचती हूँ, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो दैट इन फ्यूचर समथिंग कम्स अप फॉर मी. So you never know.
Which actually is a very, because I think today is such a good space that there is no longer कि अभी ही डेब्यू करना है, यही ही फिल्म करनी है, यही ही मटेरियल पे काम करना है. We are in such a good space where none of these things matter. The roles are juicy. Nobody is, confining that you are a certain age, you haven't been on a break, you haven't been seen. What's Tina's mind space right now? Will the camera, if comes rushing to her, is she willing to embrace that side?
Very interesting. If something good comes up, yes. Otherwise, not interested.
What's good for you then? I really am intrigued
very
now.
honest, I don't understand. I would love if a maker comes and just talks to me as how a friend is talking, and rather than having so many inhibitions कि गोविंदा सर आएंगे या अगर कुछ ये हुआ तो
गोविंदा सर क्यों?
Yeah, like I mean, if that thing happens to me, I'll be more than happy. If there are too many questions and too many baggages, please don't come to me. I'm in a very happy space right now in my life, and yeah, that's about it.
I think that's a very great approach, and people also have to stop letting you get associated to just one person. That is his legacy. And talking about legacy, we have your brother also now prepping for films. Is he?
Yes, he is.
As the last as what a good dancer he is. I have to tell you, oh my god, I saw him dancing, guys, live somewhere.
Okay,
but
I know where.
He is so good. What's the scene there? How's the atmosphere on that front?
Just looking forward for it. Trust me, I'm just looking forward for it. Just all my prayers are like already like for him right now, and I'm just looking and I'm like waiting कि कब आए और मैं मतलब मज़ा आ जाए यार.
मज़ा जितना मैंने देखा है मज़ा तो मतलब मुझे तो बहुत आया, because उसकी first scratch video से लेकर to the recent ones he's been uploading, what a phenomenon. I would say.
And he's a very good boy. He listens to me. He's very nice, very sweet.
Tina, Dad recently went through an unfortunate incident, and at that time, what also came to the light, of course, the love of the fans. I mean, that few hours, I think it was a testimonial to the fact to all the people who easily say कि आपका अब वक्त नहीं रहा, but hello, there was this entire nation who came together with all the prayers. It was a tough period because by the news broke out before I think anyone could even How did you guys manage
You know, there's
that?
something I would like to say जो आपने भी बोला कि जो आपको ऐसा लगता है और सुनते हो कि आपका वक्त नहीं रहा टाइप्स, बट मैंने जितना देखा है जहाँ जहाँ गोविंदा जी आते हैं वहाँ पे धमाल हो ही जाता है। सो आई डोंट, ये 3-4 लोग जो बक बक कर रहे हैं उनको, जिसको ये मैं अभी से नहीं सुन रही, ये मैं अपने स्कूल डेज से सुन रही हूँ कि अब ये पिक्चर फ्लॉप हो गई है तो अभी इसका टाइम ख़त्म हो गया। ये नहीं होता है, लाइक यू
बहुत
नो,
मेहनत है
इट्स
इसके
लाइक
पीछे।
in the sense, you know, so I don't care about all these people who say that about him, to be very honest, because when Govinda comes on stage, the world dances. So I don't care about all these things. And yeah, I saw everyone's love. I was from seeing them from the ICU also, and I'm very grateful to God. I'm very grateful everyone's happy, healthy at home.
Yeah, because for once it was like, I know when news broke and we were like, for first 10 seconds everyone is trying to process hua kya hai, and then you see the amount of love which comes from the person who has created the legacy for decades and decades, and I think that's your biggest reward. That's how people see you even after all
मैं टू
these
बी
years.
वेरी ऑनेस्ट उस टाइम पे मेरा दिल दिमाग नहीं चल रहा था, तो मैंने ये सब नहीं नोटिस किया. द ओनली थिंग आई नो वाज फोकसिंग ऑन वाज ऑन माई डैड. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई वाज नॉट फोकसिंग कि आई वाज टू सी द मीडिया, एवरीवन,
They were literally stationed outside the hospital.
every day they were there and all of that, but मैं उस टाइम पे मेरा वो सब में फोकस नहीं था. एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई वाज ओनली फोकस्ड ऑन माई डैड.
And touchwood, we just saw him recently.
Yeah.
So all the speedy
He's
recovery
chilling
in
now,
place.
yeah.
But Tina, us time pe, if you would like to answer, there was a family feud, of course, with Krishna and Kashmira, and they also reached out and they tried to mend the bridges. Too much was spoken about it. Too much was said about it. Do you think that sometimes coming from a media family, coming from this glamour side, even the most personal issues become too big and too much of a fodder?
It is kind of toxic, I wouldn't lie, and I've said that to Aarti as well, and I'll always try to keep myself away from it.
Yeah, because you've never ever spoken
No,
about
and
it.
and to be very honest, I'm very happy in my life. I don't speak about all these things, and I think now it's a thing of a past, and I don't want to talk about it again and again, and उसको फिर एक नई स्टोरी देने के लिए and all of that, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है उसकी. Things are good, decent, respectful.
Yeah, because अब उनके शायद क्योंकि एक्सीडेंट के वक्त ही तब भी इतना कुछ उस साइड पे चल रहा था, and I often wonder that it becomes a little too much when your family, this is a family matter which suddenly comes in the public eye.
It becomes a masala for people.
Yeah, becomes headline for people. And just because one party doesn't choose to speak doesn't mean that there is not much to say. That's all. That was my entire take on it. Just because often the silence is misconstrued as weakness for so many people.
I don't really look at that things also. I just know one thing, that I met my cousins, everything was good, respectful, decent, good.
And everyone is supposed to be in a good, happy space, and that's how it's supposed to be.
They are busy in their own world, I'm busy in my own stuff.
Yeah, you're handling Papa's work now. अभी मुझे एक बात बताओ. If, please, say you get an opportunity to work with him, करोगे?
मुझे?
कैमरा पे.
Oh, I would love to work with him. I anyway embrace working with him. I embrace everything I've worked with him.
मुझे
also.
कॉमेडी टाइमिंग एक बारी ना आप दोनों की देखनी है. मैं
अरे
बड़ी
यार,
interested
I
हूँ.
would really like to work with him, and yeah, actually, he's Papa for me, Ari. It's like, you know, it's.
But
I would like to do.
actor-
I would love to do like a nice ad film with him or something
Oh.
of that sort. Yeah, I would love to do an ad with him, more than a movie, like a nice ad. Yeah. That's
be
something
fun.
like, you know, which will show us our personal, because movies again will be scripted. Again,
Understood,
ये
yeah.
character है आपका, ये है आप ये character. No, when I think in an ad film, I think we will come out more natural,
More naturally.
more us.
And one thing which also I want to see in Yash and Govinda dancing in one frame.
Yes.
Oh, that is the one thing I will be vouching for. Now I want to see that. Like that has to. So many iconic moves. Like I think there are no parties and events and dances are complete without doing 2-3 iconic moves.
2
and
बजे
songs.
के बाद तो भैया चाहिए.
You know, na?
या
we
तो
have
दिना
this-
दिन दा और we not इसको बजा.
you
Yeah, he's.
You know, na, there are dance lists of him on lists like Spotify's and stuff. There's called Govinda's dance
मैं
list.
खुद सुनती हूँ.
मतलब वो हमारी आफ्टर पार्टी लिस्ट होती है.
हाँ हाँ, मैं खुद सुनती हूँ. मैं आपको क्या.
मतलब
In the sense, my morning walk has to have an Akshay Kumar song, has to have a Daljit Dosanjh song, has to have a Govinda song, and I have to have a Shah Rukh Khan song. तब जाके लगता है हाँ चलो कार्डियो हो गया.
कार्डियो हो गया. एकदम मजा आया.
मजा आया.
Full Bollywood kid it is.
टोटल.
टीना, एक चीज़ हम बिफोर कैमरा डिस्कस कर रहे थे, तो मैं एज अ गर्ल सिर्फ ये पूछना चाहती हूँ. आप मुझे, इफ़ यू विल टेक मी थ्रू दैट, you were speaking to me about this beautiful journey of weight loss.
Yeah.
We were discussing how being we're always expected to look a certain way, and with you, of course, no matter what, even if you don't want to be, cameras do spot you.
Yeah.
How you battle that constant part of looking the part? Are there any days where you can be like, leave me alone and just
There have been so many days where I'm like, please leave me alone. Like, भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो types, you know. That has happened with me. There has been days where I have really beaten myself up. There have been days where I've been on so much of strict diets. Like, you know, I've done that, been there, done that types. But I think the whole game changed for me when I met with an accident 2 years back. I was doing masti. And I got a very bad spasm, like a neck thingy, I had it. And I gained a lot of weight after that. Like, you know, I gained a lot of weight, and it took me and I used to literally cry to my dad. I'm like, what has happened to me? Because coming from a 24 waist to then suddenly coming into a UK 10, like, you know, it was quite a thing for me, because I was always a UK 6'4", UK 6'4". It was irritating, I wouldn't lie, but I just learned one thing: take one day at a time and try to just show up. It was very difficult. I wouldn't lie, it was nothing. You know, there are so many people who say that अरे चलता है, easy है. नहीं था easy मेरे लिए, but I took one day at a time. And now I'm still in like a work in progress going on. I'm still like happy about what I am looking, but I want to be something like, you know, what I used to be types. But it's fine. It's like one day at a time.
घर में ये जो इतनी पॉजिटिविटी, ये जो इतना एक जो ये खुशनुमा, मैं आपका ये पूरा एक रूप देख रही हूँ. टीना मम्मा पे गई हैं कि पापा पे? क्योंकि मैंने जो मम्मा की मैंने इंटरव्यूज थोड़े बहुत सुने हैं ना, मतलब
I think I have gone a little bit on my mom, because I've learned a lot of things from both my parents. I wouldn't lie, but I think that whole idea of becoming a little carefree and living life, you know, that is something I learned from my mom. Ki yaar, you've got one life, जी लो, खा लो, पी लो, जी लो, एक जिंदगी है. You know, like I literally travel a lot, and I love traveling. And again, my travels are very secretive. And I think this is again come from my mom, because every 2 months, 1.5 months, I'm out of Bombay. Like, I have to go, even if I'm going to a temple or a gurdwara. You know, I love going to temples and gurdwaras. I just love doing that. But I like to keep it very secretive. Like, I don't want to post it on
personal life.
Yeah, like, I don't want to put it on social media to show people ki look, I'm so sanskari, and so, like, I don't want all that attention. कि
मैं आई रही थी, सोशल मीडिया ऑफ योर्स इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली लाइक कि मैं सारी दुनिया को सब कुछ बताऊं. यू आर नॉट लाइक टू एक्टिव देयर.
No.
Consciously?
No, it's like, you know, I personally feel this is something what my dadi used to say, कि जब आप कुछ दान करो या कुछ, you know, your spiritual side or your this thing, you know, एक हाथ से कर रहे हो तो दूसरे हाथ को भी नहीं पता चलना चाहिए कि what you are doing is something what I learned from my dadi. And I feel कि I personally go to Gurdwara regularly, like going to churches. Gurdwara is something I'm doing, but you don't need to tell people like, look how good of a person I am, that I'm going to this temple also. Like, now I have to go to Mahakal temple, I have to go to Punjab for my trips of all my spirit, but I don't be in my social media or anywhere.
अभी भी लोगों से ऐसे ऑफर्स आते हैं रियलिटी टीवी शोज के, वो फेवरेट जॉनर है ना, मतलब लोगों का, आपकी अगर हमने किसी को बहुत वक्त से नहीं देखा, दे वुड लाइक टू सी, तो कभी ये बिग बॉस या खतरों जैसे ऑफर्स आते हैं?
आए हैं, बट आई एम नॉट टू कंफर्टेबल.
व्हाई नॉट? Actually, why not a big boss? Why I ask? Because you are such a ball of positivity. Why not?
I don't want. No, it's like I'm not good in arguing. I cannot.
You're like, मेरा हो गया.
I cannot, and I feel that I live in a bubble created by me and my parents, and I'm very happy in that bubble. And I personally feel that your art should speak to you, for you. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई अच्छी शॉर्ट फिल्म हो, कोई अच्छा म्यूजिक वीडियो हो, कोई अच्छा कोई प्रोजेक्ट हो, या कोई वेब सीरीज हो, something of that sort is what, you know, like I can't argue with. I can't do all that. That's not me. And I've gone on the sets, वो बहुत अंदर जाके है. I get suffocated.
Yeah, we be on the set,
I
so
don't
we are
know.
aware
There's some.
of it.
I had gone for one of the promotion and I really wanted to see the sets. कि how does it look like and what. But वो बहुत अंदर जाके, and I don't think I personally can survive without my morning routines and my you know, morning prayers and my morning everything. I cannot.
You cannot.
I can give up something like that, but I can't leave my morning routine and my prayers and everything.
One thing also which is very secretive, or not, तुम्हें बता दो मेरे को, like never ever a whisper about your love life. Never ever a whisper. मतलब how secretive is this? कि किसी को कुछ नहीं पता.
नहीं, I would like to let my personal life be very secretive, and that's how I like it.
मतलब okay, what secretive it is, but you, even if it's from the films or not from the films, you would never even want to make a splash about it. It's a very, very conscious call on your part.
Yes. Yeah,
yes. Because it takes a lot, as we just discussed.
Because I personally feel that when you're in love with somebody, it should be like a pure love, rather than
two people. It's between two people.
Yeah, rather than you know, you being spotted together. वो फिर love नहीं है, वो आप लोग business कर रहे हो, वो फिर आप एक पैकेज बना के सेल आउट कर रहे हो. That's how it is, na, and that, you know, you get ads and endorsement. I would never want to do that. No, never. There has to be pure love.
And that's just for you and for the person.
Yeah,
and not
you
for the
never
world.
know, because you have to respect somebody else also.
Of course.
I have again read it in and I saw one interview again of my favorite actor. And he said something very interesting.
Which actor are we talking right now? We have in list mein actors.
Yeah, I heard Akshay Kumar ji only. He said a very interesting thing. You know, he said, which I think मैंने ना अपने वो बांध ली है बात को. Which he said, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा उनकी बात वो, कि उन्होंने बोला कि लोग बोलते हैं 36 गुण मिलने चाहिए कुंडली में and this and that. He said एक ही गुण मिलना काफ़ी होता है, and that is mutual respect. वो एक गुण मिल गया ना, that's more than enough.
Such a beautiful
and
thing.
I think it was so well said by him, and I really, वो मैंने अपनी वो रख लिया अपने पास ये बात. Yeah, this is something I embrace what he said.
I think that's really important, because
there are certain actors, when I see their interviews na, like even with Shah Rukh ji, I really, certain things that comes out from their mouth na is like, okay, now this is something I'm keeping it with me.
It's like a life well lived and experiences well coming out in form of nuggets.
And I love watching interviews of only actors. I don't know why.
Actors is kind of.
I don't know why. I've always loved. I just don't know why. I have always only looked up to actors ke interviews, because I think these men na, they are unfiltered.
तो मुझे जाते जाते बताओ, अगर इन्हीं किसी एक्टर के साथ कभी भी जिंदगी में किसी भी तरीके से एसोसिएट करने का, काम करने का, किसी भी कैपेसिटी में मौका मिले, रैंकिंग दो मुझे, टॉप 3 दो.
वाह, मैं तो सभी के साथ करना
नहीं, मुझे 3 चाहिए. ऐसे कैसे? अभी थोड़ा मैं भी फंसाती हूँ ना.
So one तो
अक्षय जी तो हो गया.
My dad, so I have worked with him.
अब पापा भी are not including in the list.
See, he's my favorite actor, so you cannot this thing.
Okay, I'm changing the question. Apart from dad,
okay.
3 actors, please.
Okay, so you know, coming from the other league, I would love to work with Akshay Kumar ji, Shah Rukh ji. I would love to work with him. If I any which way.
Any
it's
capacity.
It's not always about romancing or anything.
Any capacity, ad, show, whatever.
Which other actor? I really
anyone in young generation?
Yeah, I would love to. Young generation, I would just love to go with the flow.
What is go with the flow?
Go with the flow means project wise, because आजकल बहुत
मुझे नाम
बहुत
दो,
आजकल बहुत
मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी, एक नाम दो चलो यार, इतने सारे हैं.
I would like to go.
We have an RK, RS, we have so many Aditya, so many people.
I would love to work with Ranveer Singh.
I think you two will be like
I would love to work
full
with
mad
him
people on set.
He's someone I've always been very comfortable when I've met him socially also.
And he adores your father.
Yeah, and I really like him because he's again Cancerian types, very unfiltered.
Cancerian, let's do the league together, of course.
Oh my god.
We have that. I told you I started out from a league connection. We will get it. अच्छा रहेगा.
So-
Because I know Ranveer, you know, na, his wallpaper for the long, his DP for the longest time is
But
always
you know that
Chichi sir.
Raja Babu thing, it's a very, I shouldn't be saying this on camera, but I personally do the entry shot every day. In the sense, when I get up in the morning, I have this cupboard of mine which has all the sunglasses, my hair clips, my perfumes, and in my head, I know like कि भाई अब तो ये ऐसे ऐसे करके मैं एक परफ्यूम उठाती हूँ ऐसे आई नो इट इज वेरी
It's so
आई
cute.
माइट गेट ट्रोल्ड ऑल्सो बट आई
No.
लव माई सेल्फ एंड आई डू दैट आई हैव टू डू दैट इवन इफ आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ वर्कआउट I have to do this to my body mist. I have to dress up well every day and I have to show up.
And why not?
Yeah, this is me. So I have that little element in me. I have to have my juices. I have that little.
अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर मुझे कभी लाइफ में थोड़ा सा राजा बाबू को थोड़ा फीमेल वर्जन करने को मिला ना, मना मत करना टीना, कर लेना.
मैं कर लूँगी. Trust me. And I think I can do it because I live that life any which ways. मुझे सुबह उठ के मेरा जूस चाहिए. मुझे सुबह उठ के मेरे कपड़े आयरन चाहिए. I live that side of my dad and I embrace it. I love it. I love myself.
And now I think I have two contenders. We have a Ranveer, we have a Tina, and we have a Raja Babu in common. So we can do a we can do a
You
combination.
can do कल आज कल.
That would be a good one.
Oh my
Oh God,
lord.
that
Yeah,
would
but
be a good
actually, I truly adore myself.
Why? I think
In the sense,
we take it very lightly. We do not love ourselves first. We are willing to love everyone. We are willing to take criticism from
प्रॉब्लम
everyone.
क्या है, लोग सबके पास एक्सेस होता है, लोगों के पास एक एक्सक्यूज है कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. अच्छा टाइम निकाल लो, मिल जाएगा, बहुत टाइम है. मैं सुबह उठती हूँ ये सब करने के लिए.
और खुद को थोड़ा सा एनी हाउ प्रायोरिटी देना भी ज़रूरी है.
बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत. इसलिए दैट स्पिरिचुअल साइड इज आल्सो देयर इन मी.
ये कैंसेरियन वाली बातें बाद में करेंगे, ये लंबा जाएगा. बस जाते जाते मुझे एक बात बताओ, नेक्स्ट कब मैं कुछ आपको देख रही हूँ, अगर मुझे कहीं पर भी देखना है किसी पब्लिक व्यूइंग में, बी इट ऑन अ सीरीज, शो, एड, कुछ है क्या, कुछ ऐसा जो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट देख सकती हूँ?
Would love to. Again, if people don't come with me with that whole fears and baggage and all of that, because I don't understand why people have this thing that अरे sir will come on sets or what.
Sir के
Even
पास
if he
तो काम
comes,
नहीं.
what's the big deal?
सर के पास वैसे और कोई काम नहीं है.
Exactly. So if it comes to me without all that, and if they want to, if people see me the way I am, and yeah, I would love to, but no reality shows.
नो रियलिटी
No
शोज.
controversial shows.
हाँ,
And no
आगे नहीं
Kira
कर सकते
Makoda
हैं.
also.
अच्छा, no खतरों and no Big Boss is
I told
happening.
you in the morning I'm behaving one girl version of Radha.
बाबू, and
उसके
really-
बाद पता चला सांप मेरे मुंह पे and छिपकली मेरे. No way.
भाई ये तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा. मैं ये करूँगी ही नहीं.
No.
I'm out. First day I quit. Bye.
मैं actually I would love to co-host. I would love to co-host a reality show. I love talking. I would love to co-host, but I cannot do.
I can make a statement. If anyone in comedy space really wants to explore her, you should. Yeah, you are so funny, and you are effortlessly funny. I think I don't know if you're aware of it, but you're funny.
I'm just me.
I'm just me and awesome.
Yeah, I think I'm fab.
Let's stick to that. But thank you, Tina. Thank you. I think I had such a good time. You made me laugh so much. And I'm sitting through the interview and I'm like, okay, I don't want it. What should I ask? And you walk into the room and like, listen, there is no sob story and we are not doing sob stories.
No. I personally feel it's a crap thing to have your sob stories in your interviews. कि हाय रब्बा मेरे साथ ये क्या हो गया, मुझे काश कुछ दिया हो. No यार, I have too many things to be grateful for in my life. But yes, if something good, I would love to. Otherwise,
And to
I'm
all the
too
people
happy
out
with my
there,
travels.
to everyone who's watching this, please, I am putting in a request. Comedy space, please, let's do this. We have a Raja Babu thing already dabbling. I really
But I
want
love
to-
bubbly movies. I love films that are colorful and bubbly. Like I love that, that phase of Dharma also when it had those colorful films.
You would have Rocky Rani there for that
I still listen to a lot of Kejo songs.
कुछ कुछ होता है and
I
all
love
that.
it. I love all that.
कल हो ना हो देखने गए? It's just
मैं
re-release.
कल ही उनकी गाना सुन रही थी कल. अच्छा, I didn't know it.
Oh, re-release. Please go watch then. You'll have a
I
blast.
love that movie. In fact, yesterday in the morning I was walking and I was listening to Pretty Woman. I kind of
Groove to that
groove
vibe.
to those songs while walking.
So when I think take away from this interview is जैसी भी life है अच्छी है, count your blessings because that's all that matters at the end of the day, and always look at the brighter side because you walked into the room and you were like, it's gonna be a bright sunny day with the lights and with my mood.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for doing this. I'm really looking forward to next sit with you whenever it is, discussing this time a project whichever you would want, of course, to pick out of the lot, and please don't come with the fear of sir. Sab ho jayega. Chalega. But thank you for doing this. Thank you for giving us time.
Me. Thank
I
you
had
so
a great
much.
time with you. Thank you
ये तो
so
बोलना
much.
ही होता है ना.
नहीं.
Thank you for having me.
नहीं, इस इंटरव्यू के बाद ना मुझे ये दिख नहीं रहा ये गार्ड. This is it.
Thank you for having me. Hi, this is Tina Ahuja and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.